The first time I saw it, I was amazed by how different it looks, and as soon as I approached and touched it, I was really surprised at how stunning it is. It addresses a universal pain point, and that is scratches on the glass. Everyone wants their hob to look new as long as possible, and that's exactly what this does. It can withstand 4 times more scratches than the standard glass. It's fingerprint resistant, and it's also easy to clean. You can clean it twice as fast as regular glass. A beautiful design, the matte finish is just very elegant and stunning.